Hello YouTube. In a serious video, I'm going to show you how to design a fixed wing Vtol drone. As a beginning, in the first video, I'm going to show you how to import blueprint to the screen, how to calibrate it. And I'm going to leave the link in the description to download the blueprint of the drone. So please follow my video, and to support me, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and give a thumb. If you have any question or any comment, please leave the comment below. So first of all, I'm going to insert the blueprint. From the solid tab, I'm going to click insert canvas. Here, insert from my computer. I put the file on the desktop. So first of all, I'm going to import the front view of the drone. Click open. We select this plane. I'm going to click OK. Zoom in to see the drone, and I'm going to click here the drop down list, right click. I'm going to edit the canvas, click front view here, and I'm going to move it to the middle of the screen. Click OK, right click, calibrate. The wing span of this drone is 3.5 meters. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click this end and this end and put the dimension 3500 millimeters. Now that's the drone. To move the front view to the middle of the screen, I'm going to edit the canvas. I'm going to click here to see it from the front view. I'm going to move it to here. Just zoom in to make sure it's properly centered. That looks good to me. Yep. Click OK. Now we are going to insert the other side view. We go back to the insert canvas, insert from my computer. I'm going to import the side view. Click open, choose this drawing plane, click OK. So I'm going to hide the right view. As you can see on the picture, the length of the fuselage is 1894 millimeters. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to calibrate. Choose this end. And the nose here, and put the dimension 1894 millimeters. Click enter. Now I'm going to right click on the side view and edit. I'm going to move it to here to match the front view picture. Now I'm going to import the top view picture. click OK. To calibrate this one, I'm going to choose the wing tip to calibrate it. If you remember, the wingspan is 3.5 meter. So I'm going to click here and click here 3,500 millimeter. All right. And I'm going to move it to the center, just like that. That looks perfect. So the result has to look like this. If you're interested in my video, please stay tuned with me. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to design the fuselage. Thank you for watching.